Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iOS keychain access in SwiftUI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up iOS keychain access in your SwiftUI app, begin by importing the required framework. You need to include the security framework in your project. In your Swift file, import the security library for keychain access. Next, create a new Swift file to manage keychain operations. Define a class named Keychain Helper. Inside the class, implement a method to save data to the keychain. Use the keychain items attributes to store the data securely. Create a method for retrieving data from the keychain. This method should query the keychain and return the desired value. Next, add a method to delete data from the keychain. Ensure this method handles errors correctly to improve reliability. Now, move on to your SwiftUI view. In your view, create state variables to hold your sensitive data. Use text fields to capture user input for username and password. Implement buttons for saving, retrieving, and deleting the keychain data. Bind the text fields to your state variables for real-time updates. Call the keychain helper methods when the user interacts with the buttons. Make sure to handle success and error messages to give feedback to users. Test the app to verify that data is being stored and accessed correctly. Remember to consider user privacy and handle credentials securely. Explore the debugging console to see if there are any issues with keychain access. Once everything is functioning as expected, consider adding additional features. Now, you have successfully set up iOS keychain access in your SwiftUI application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.